So, good morning mga idol. Ito na naman mga idol, may ipakita ko sa inyong video mga idol. Kung saan mga idol, yung taga ICC nagsalita na tungkol sa mga naganap around the world na ginagawa ng mga DDS supporters na nagrarally sila. So, ito, panoorin nito mga idol, yung sinabi ng taga ICC tungkol sa mga rallying na nagaganap mga idol. So, kahit pa nga maglupasay kayo sa kakarally, hindi nyo na mababago. Talagang wala na magawa yung rally nyo eh, kasi andun na eh, lilitisin na siya eh. Hindi naman siguro mga tanga yung mga judge ng ICC na maglabas ng arrest warrant sa isang tao na wala silang nakitang basihan, wala silang nakitang matibay na ebidensya. Alam naman sila maglabas lang sila ng basta-bastang arrest warrant na walang matibay na ebidensya, di ba, mga idol? So, dahil naglabas ng warrant of arrest yung taga ICC judge, siguro may ebidensya siguro matibay. Lalong-lalo na Pangulo, former president pa yung lalabasan nila ng warrant of arrest. So, tsaka, wala na eh. Nakakalungkot din talaga mga idol kasi kahit papaano, naging Pangulo natin yan eh. Kaya lang mayroon siguro siyang nagawang kasalanan, saka may mga ebidensya na yun ang nakitang basihan ng taga ICC, kaya sa nalabasan ng warrant of arrest mga idol. So ito yung panoorin natin yung video mga idol.
Tiniyak ng International Criminal Court na magiging patas ito sa paglilitis kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa kabila ng mga protesta. Kahit nga ang pamemeke ng impormasyon tungkol sa mga hukom dito, hindi nila makaapekto sa kanilang desisyon.
Ang sabi ng tagapagsalita ng ICC,
we do not consider that this should be something that would be kind of distracting our focus from what we have to do, which is our core tasks and core responsibility towards the victims and toward the international community, which is to apply the law in an objective and impartial way.
Alam din daw ng ICC ang nangyayari sa social media kung saan pinepeke ang impormasyon at minsan ginagawang katatawanan pa ang mga ICC judges.
And we trust that in the social media there will always be some passionate and heated individuals, and we understand that there is also good people that will be actually trying to show objective nature of things. I think the main and important thing is that we are all focused on only one thing, which is delivering justice in the best conditions for the victims and to ensure that truth is revealed about the guilt or innocence of any person who is accused.
Pero sabi ni Dr. Fadi L. Abdallah, hindi raw makakaapekto ang mga ganito sa pagpapasya ng ICC sa kaso ni Duterte.
We have to understand that the judges can only decide based on what is presented before them, either by the prosecution or by the victim's lawyers or by the defense lawyers. So they are not taking into account any other elements that are not in the files before them. So this type of actions is showing support to certain suspects, but it's not part of the findings before the judges. It's not presented to them, so it doesn't have an impact on the proceedings.
Ang hiling ni Abdallah, pagkatiwalaan ng publiko ang proseso ng ICC.
We have to respect the
Thank
process.
you.
It's not about being passionate. It's about being objective and impartial and applying the law and checking the evidence thoroughly and ensuring that the rights of the defense are respected and that the rights of the victims are respected.